Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode 244 of Trading Talk. In this week's episode, Charles continues on from the previous episode and adds a trade management function which is built on an earlier concept that can be found in Trading Talk episode 141. By the way, we've been receiving a lot of great feedback for the Trading Talk series, so I just wanted to say that we really appreciate it. And please feel free to let us know any concepts or models you'd like us to build, and we'll see what we can do. And if you like the Trading Talk series, make sure you log on to our monthly Algo Traders Club webinar on Wednesday, the 25th of May at 7:30 p.m, where we build and test models live, so you can ask us any questions in real time. You'll find the registration link in this email. If you caught last week's Trading Talk, you'd know that we announced our final speaker for our Algo Trading Conference, but you might not know what this year's speakers will be presenting. So let me give you some insight. We've got Nix Raj, who'll be building an intraday share trading model over a basket of stocks. Johan Christian Lotter will be building 4 models, one of which utilizes machine learning, and the logic is built in TradeView X, which is very cool. Christina Chi looks like she'll be building the pairs trading model, which she used to start her fund, which turned over up to $7.1 billion per day. So in total, 6 models from the 3 great traders. Make sure you take advantage of this opportunity and contact us on the desk to get your ticket today. I really hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.